This video is going to be very funny because in this video I am going to tell you a secret that how did I learn English, how did I start practice of my English, and how now I feel very comfortable to speak in English. I can explain whatever I want to explain in English, right? So the main technique that I used to speak in English is nothing but just put myself on the place of other person and speak like them. First of all, I used to imagine myself that I am a big celebrity and I am going to give a speech. So I just pretend like I'm going to holding my mic and I'm going to lead the crowd. I am, because when you are going to give any kind of a speech, you don't focus on the other person. You always focus on the messages that you are going to deliver. So first of all, hi guys, it was a great journey for me. A lot of things start changing in my life because when I started doing, I faced a lot of problems. Some of the things which was not good in my life, I become good at them by practice. So many things has changed by practice, and I am a big believer that if you practice and if you do efforts, a lot of things can change. And similarly, you can also do the same thing. Why I am here right now? Because I have done something great in my life, and you can also do the same thing. You can also achieve your dream. Whatever dream you have in your life, whatever things that you want to achieve in your life, you can achieve them. And whatever things that you have written on your bucket list, you can make them happen, you can make them come true in your life. You have enough potential to do that. You need to know just certain things, the great strategy, a simple strategy, and it should be practical. Whatever things that you want to good at, whomever you want to work with, and any kind of things that you want to do in your life. And if your heart is allowing you, if your heart is telling you that yes, you need to do that, you should go. You should start taking a step in your life towards doing them. So did you see that how exactly I used to practice of my English? When you speak like this, your mind get enough time to think what you need to speak next. And this is the mantra. This was the secret of becoming good at English. If you will follow this technique, no one can stop you to be fluent and to learn English. Right? And no one, I can bet you, in the whole platform of YouTube, no one can suggest you to practice of your English like this, because this strategy has has made by me actually. So use this technique, and when you will speak like this, your mind will get enough time to think what you need to speak next. So use this technique and become fluent. And of course, I really want to know how exactly you practice of English, right? So that I can modify your rules, I can modify your structure, and whatever structure and strategy you follow, I can modify them and I can provide them to you.